Hey guys, welcome back to Crosshair Garage, and happy Thanksgiving to y'all out there. It is Thanksgiving today. Today is Thanksgiving, indeed. It's the day we give thanks. Anyway, so we're going to do a quick little review on this. This is a great Black Friday deal for y'all. I got this for my birthday. The girl got it for me, and I've waited till now to open it because I wanted to, I wanted to do a tool review. Okay, I wanted to, I like Husky tools. This is a banger of a deal right here. This is, I want to say you can get this right around $100, just under $100, I think even, probably with tax right around $100 at the Home Depot, of course. They are the carriers of your Husky tools, who they do have a lifetime warranty on their tools. It's kind of like the old Craftsman deal. Break a tool, take it back, they'll give you a new one. If not, you call the number up, you call the Husky number up, which you can find online. You call them up and say, hey, my tool's broke, and they'll make sure you get a new tool. Anyway, this is a, how many piece set? 271? 270. 200, I done forgot. 270 piece set, and we're gonna look at everything that's in it. Let me find a knife to slice this thing open. I done lost my knife. Where'd my knife go? I can't find my knife, but a piece of scrap metal will work, because all we really got is some tape right here. All right, maybe. I'm trying not to. Oh, hold on. New things couldn't be that easy, could it? So now you're probably thinking, Jeff, why do you need another tool set? I've got 4 toolboxes around here. Every one of them's jam-packed with tools. Well, why I wanted this set, I'm going to use this. This tells us what all we got here. But why I wanted this set is it's a great, set to grab and go. I can throw it in the back of the Falcon when I go out on say, a long drive, which, that thing's unreliable as all get out. So throw it in the back of the Falcon. If I'm going to the junkyard, take it with me. I got them all, should have just about everything I need. There's something going on upstairs. Anyway, so what we got in this set is we're going to have 3 ratchets. We're going to have a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and a 1/2 inch drive. We're going to have 8 wrenches, a magnetic bit driver. I'm okay with that, rather than carrying around a bunch of screwdrivers for a, travel kit like this. And even if you just want a set of tools at your house, you don't have a set of tools, like if you're like my neighbor who doesn't have any tools, bam, this is perfect for you. Go get one, okay? Put the leaf blower down and go get you, watch Fear Thy Neighbor. Anyway, so you got the magnetic bit driver, and then you're going to have 84 of the little screwdriver bits. You're going to have all your Torx bits, your, stuff like that, your flatheads, your fillet heads, your Torx. And you're going to have 12 nut driver bits, which I would imagine also fit into the magnetic bit driver, which is a screwdriver handle, in case you're curious. You're going to have 24 6-point deep sockets, 1/4 inch and 3/8, 44 6-point regular sockets, 1/4 and 3/8 size. You're going to have 21 12-point sockets, 1/4 and 1/2. And then you're going to have a drive adapter. You're going to have 2 of those. You're going to be able to go from 1/4 inch to 3/8 or 3/8 to 1/4. I don't know why you can't go to 1/2 on any of that. Anyway, you're going to have hex keys, your Allen keys. You're going to have 40 of those. You're going to have 3 extension bars, and then some bit sockets, 28 bit sockets. And the bit sockets, I'll tell you what, they do get you out of a jam every now and then. I know on some disc brake systems, you're going to need those. So let's see what all we got here. So this, I guess, locks. Yeah, this locks, holds it all in. So let's pull the first one out. And here we've got a 1/2 inch drive. Pretty nice. And it comes with a little extension. And here's where all our wrenches are. We were supposed to have, I done forgot. I need to prop this up where I can look over and read it, you know, look professional and shit, like I know what I'm talking about. We should have, okay, we should have 8 of these. Two, 4, 6, and 8. All right, now these are not ratcheting, but still nice to have. I'm probably going to put a little foam in there to keep keep that from making a bunch of noises. I'm going down the road. I don't want to hear it. You know what I mean? So I'll put some foam in there, protect that. Next, we're going to have. Now I dig this. I like this a lot. How they've got it 1/2 inch, 3/8, quarter. That's pretty cool. Over here, we've got 4 sets. So you got 2 different sets of SAE and 2 different sets of metric Allen wrenches. That's pretty nice. Now these are the, what are they calling them? Bit sockets. Hi, Western. These are the bit sockets that they're talking about. And these are kind of like they got a Torx bit inside of them. And they fit onto your 3/8 ratchet, which is right here. And yeah, these they'll get you out of a jam every now and then, quite often, to be honest. And it looks like we go on the 1/2 inch side, or yeah, on the 1/2 inch side, we go from a 15 to a 19 millimeter, which is pretty good. They even include an 18. Most kits don't include an 18 for some reason. I don't know why. You always need an 18, and anyway. And then on the standard size, you go from 9/16 to 7/8. That should get you out of most of your normal jams. On the 3/8 side, on the metric, we go from 10. What do we got here? I'm sorry, we go for. Oh, these are the deep wells. Okay. So on the deep wells, we go from 6 to 15. I'm sorry, 10 to 15. I take that back. Skipping 11 and 12. We do not have 11 and 12 in a deep socket. On the standard size, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, and 11/16. There's one of your adapters to go down to a 1/4 inch. Here's an extension that comes with that. Again, I like these Husky ratchets. They're nice. And then regular, the regular, not deep well, non-deep well, regular socket, these kind. You go from 1/4 inch to 11/16 and 6 millimeter, all the way up to 19 millimeter with the 18 included. That's amazing to me, to be honest with you. I mean, this so far is a banger of a deal. Now, okay, look at all these. Can you see this? Look at all these bits you have. I mean, that's insane. And so then you got all these that'll fit onto either these bit drivers that will fit. Man, that thing is tiny. What size is that? 1/16 of an inch. Like Torx drive, square. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I mean, there's a plethora of tools here. You have your Torx bits, and you have your star bits as well. The difference with the Torx bits, guys, if you don't know, is your torque bits, they've got a hole in the center of them, and then you have your regular star bits. Then you have these crazy guys. They're like Allen keys, and that's pretty fancy. I'm going to use those for sure. I can tell you that right now. I got stuff that, you just can't tighten the Allen keys down enough. So over here, I'm not sure if this is a ratchet. No, it's not a ratcheting one, but it's still nice. I don't know, pretty good deal if you ask me. And you go from, we got some deep wells over here on this side. 6 to 13, no skipping of sizes. Regular you just your standard sockets. We go from 4mm up to 14mm. That's a lot of sockets. That's a good selection. On your deep wells and your standard, you go from 3/16 to a 1/2 inch. Not skipping any sizes. And on your regular little bitty guys, you go from 5/32 up to 9/16, and not skipping any sizes. Over on the metric side, you go from 10mm. Wait, did they honestly? They threw in an extra 10mm. They know. Because I guarantee you, I open this tomorrow and one of them's missing. One of them ran away. Ran away from home. So yeah, you get 2 10mm. That's. I don't know if that was a joke, or if they just know that everybody loses a daggone 10mm. And so on the regular ones and standard, you go from. What is going on here? Wow, so you get a lot of standard on this. Standard in the 1/4 inch size, you got 5/32 up to 9/16, not skipping any. And then down here on this row, you get your extra 10mm, and then they drop down to 3/16 up to 9/16 without skipping any sizes. That's a lot of freaking sockets. And here's your adapter to go from 1/4 inch to 3/8. If you should ever need it, you got a nice little extension here. I mean, this is honestly a pretty badass set. I ain't gonna lie. For the price that they're shooting it at, I mean that one from what's it called? The other place, Hobo Freight. It's a lot more expensive than this, and it's even marked 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4. You know what? If I would have turned this around and looked at it, I would have seen that. But here's what's great. All right, so you're working, you pull out the tools you need. It's got a nice little area for them right up here. I don't know, guys. I ain't trying to sell you on this, but I'd go buy one if I was you. I've been excited to open up this set, but you know me, everything I do on camera, and I haven't had time to get this on camera because I've been messing with this and that and this and that and this and that. And so finally I got it on camera. Now I'm going to play with this thing. I'm actually going to set this on top of my toolbox over there, and I'm going to work out of this thing for a while to see if there's anything that I would need that I might want to add. And it looks like if there is something that I want to add, you got plenty of room back here to throw something in there that you might need to carry with you on the road. But honestly, I think that's pretty much. I might throw an adjustable in there. That's probably going to be it. And you know what? This ain't no lie. This is how much I like Husky tools. This is a Husky adjustable. I'm going to throw that in there. And then I'm thinking this set's going to be complete. I think that's the only thing that they left out of this set was an adjustable. And I'm spilling my coffee. Look at that. It locks down. I've got some of those foam liners. So I'll probably, do something about those wrenches so they don't rattle around so much when I'm hitting bumps and that sort of thing. But fantastic smoking deal, guys. Black Friday deal, I'm guessing. I know they've been running it for a while. I got this for my birthday, which was on the 18th. If you missed my birthday, by the way, thanks for all the people who did drop me a birthday over on my Facebook. Go over to my Facebook. Here's my socials. Follow me. It's not too late to get me something for my birthday. All right? My wish list is right down there. My Amazonian wish list is right down there. But anyway, listen, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And y'all take care. Catch you on the next one. Come on, Western. Let's go get some treats or something.